thinks he's the star of the show, so he gets his own microphone. Kev, do you want to say hi? Now, Kev's been out the back watching all that. Was it funny? Yeah. Today we like to talk about adaptations. Now, we've spoken about a few adaptations, but there's one adaptation that all birds have got, and it's really important for most things. If you haven't guessed what it is, Kevin's going to show you. Kev, what is the most important adaptation of all birds? Wings. They obviously need their wings to fly around, don't they? That's pretty important. But we saw Millie. You remember Millie? I know it was so long ago, it feels like 3 weeks ago. You remember meeting Millie, the barking owl? We talked about owls turning their heads in an arc of 270 degrees. Long way round, more than you and I can. Kevin, he's got that beat. Kev, how far around can you see? 360. He cheats, but that's alright, we'll even get away with it. And remember the first bird, River, the black kite. Uses his feet to catch his food. Pretty impressive footwork. Kevin uses his beak instead to dig it out of the ground. But he has got his own pretty impressive footwork. Kevin here can show me his right foot and his left foot. Nothing. Yeah, tough crowd. Kevin, I know people that don't even know their left from their right. I think he's doing alright. In fact, if he keeps that behaviour up, he's going to be dancing soon. Well done. Now, when people come and see the show, they often think it's the birds of prey that are scary. No one thinks parrots are scary. Is anyone scared, Kevin? You're the smart one. We always have one or two smart people. Kevin's the scariest bird we've got. Look at that beak. It's really long. It's really scary. In fact, Kevin here is about as scary as a tiger. Who's scared now? You don't have to be scared. It's alright, mate. You don't have to be scared. He's just pretending. In fact, I think he's just having a little bit of a laugh. Now, we got a chance to see some pretty cool birds today, didn't we? Hopefully you'll all say yes. They're all pretty cool. But all birds are cool, aren't they, Kev? Yeah, that's right. So we need to look after all those birds out there in the wild, not just the ones we've seen here today. Now, because Kevin does think he's the star of the show, he'd like you all to wave and say goodbye. Do you want to wave and say goodbye? Kev, are you going to say goodbye? Good boy. He also expects the loudest clap of all. Big round of applause for Kevin. Great job, Parrot. Alright, this is really interesting. This tells me that there is something going on over there. Kevin is the most reliable bird for going home. There is definitely something going on. We're going to give it a little bit of a try to get him to go home. There we go. Hopefully that's all good. And another round of applause for Kev. Great job.